Hi guys, in front of me is iPhone Pro Max and let me show you how to change keyboard language. At first open the settings, then go to General and click on Keyboard. Mark Keyboards at the top of the list and then select Add New Keyboard. Pick the one that you want to use your device in, your keyboard in, tap on Done, and now you can remove unnecessary languages by tapping on Edit and then smoothly remove those that you don't want to use. You can stay with one language only or more. Then to switch between languages you will have to use this word icon. So to change it, smoothly tap here and keyboard language will be changed. Obviously if you have one language only, it would be displayed just without this word icon. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.